Yesterday, I placed a bulk order for more inventory for my clothing brand. So I figured this is a good opportunity to turn the camera on and walk through that process. This is one of the products that I ordered. It is a button-down shirt made of cotton twill. Today's video is going to be specifically about the bulk order, and I'll show you my entire text conversation with my manufacturer. At the end, you'll see a breakdown of how much it costs to make 150 pieces for 3 different garments. I negotiated a minimum order quantity of 50 pieces per garment. I feel like most clothing brand owners are afraid to share information like this, especially text conversations, but I ain't afraid of shit, so smash the like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more content like this. So I sent this tech pack and some other tech packs to my manufacturer. They made samples, sent me the samples, and then confirmed with me that I received the package of samples. My manufacturer goes by Duke, so you'll see me call him Duke several times throughout this video. This is a Chinese manufacturer, so this entire conversation takes place within WeChat. I also have extensive text conversations with US-based manufacturers. I get my jeans made in the US. So if you want to see a video of me talking with a US-based manufacturer as well, let me know in the comments. After I tried on the samples and I got my friends to try on the samples as well, I made a list of revisions and said I have some revisions before placing the bulk order. I compared our sample to my reference shirt, and the cotton twill of the reference is a higher GSM. A couple of my peers feel that the higher GSM twill makes the reference product feel higher quality than our sample. Are you able to increase the thickness of the twill fabric? I sent this video, which is a comparison between the sample I got and this other shirt from Scotch and Soda that I wear all the time that I used as a reference. The next piece of feedback I had was changing the color of the inside pocket lining to white instead of blue, because in certain lighting from the front, this blue color bleeds through the shirt and makes it look kind of weird. Here is a video of the denim jacket sample. I said the denim jacket is almost perfect. The wrists are way too tight. It hurts to try and squeeze my hand through the wrist cuffs. Let's alter the pleats on the wrist to allow for more room. Then I said, let's add black viscose lining to the inside shoulder / back area of the denim jacket, similar to the button-down shirt. Instead of blue, let's use black for the denim jacket because I wanted the viscose lining to match the color of the jacket. For the nylon trouser samples that I had made, I wanted to line the inside of the pants with black viscose, just like in this video of John Elliott pants with black viscose lining. Then I confirmed the shipping terms for customs and duties. I'm not going to go into that in this video. I actually made a separate video a few days ago all about customs and duties for importing clothes from China. Duke then asked me a few questions specific to the revision requests. I answered his questions. The fabric sample of that shirt is 275 GSM, by the way, that's some sauce. Duke arranged to find a thicker twill fabric for the white shirt, and then asked if I wanted to make the samples again based on my changes or move forward with a bulk order. Duke suggested that I save some money on sample costs by confirming the changes with him beforehand and not making new samples, just placing the bulk order. I said that I don't usually feel comfortable placing a bulk order before confirming the final sample. Maybe I can pay for the bulk order and then you can send me photos of the new versions with the changes, and then I can confirm based on the photos. I feel like this works great for both of us. He's pushing me because he wants to make sure that he secures the deal with me for placing this bulk order, but I don't feel confident in placing a bulk order without confirming the final samples. So here we kind of meet in the middle. I'm going to put a down payment in for the bulk order. He's going to make new samples, take photos of those samples, then I will confirm the changes to make sure that the cuffs aren't too tight. And then if everything is good to go, we can proceed with bulk production. He has already received his down payment, which is a commitment, and cash in his pocket, and then I don't have to be as anxious about the final product not being the way that I want it. He agreed that that was fine and asked for the final quantity. I told him 50 pieces each to start. So whenever I'm ordering products for the first time, I don't start with more than 50 pieces ever, because I don't want to take a risk on a product flopping and then having to sit on a ton of inventory. If I'm sitting on a ton of inventory, I have to pay for the bin space at the warehouse. and then I'll have to put the clothes on a big markdown and sell them potentially at a loss just to move product. I recommend if you are going to place a bulk order, especially for a new product, try to start with the lowest minimum order quantity. For a lot of Chinese manufacturers, this is 100 to 200 pieces. If you ask to start with 50 pieces and maybe pay a little bit more per piece, usually the manufacturers will agree to that. I also have been working with this manufacturer for years, and I've placed several bulk orders with them, so they understand where I'm coming from. Here is the final price per piece for my bulk order. For the cotton twill button-down shirt, each piece will cost me $22.50 to manufacture. $22.50 times 50 pieces comes out to $1,125. The denim jacket comes out to $25.40 per piece times 50 pieces is $1,270. For the nylon trousers, these come out to $24.40 per piece times 50 pieces is $1,220. $1,220 plus $1,270 plus $1,125 equals $3,615 for this entire bulk order of 150 pieces. Divide that by 2 because I will be paying a 50% deposit up front, which comes out to $1,807.50. So yesterday I paid $1,800. And in about 3 weeks, when the bulk order is complete, I'll pay another $1,800 plus shipping. Then it should take about 2 weeks to arrive. I'll probably pay by air because it's a small bulk order. Then I'll do my shoot, put all the content up on the website, and I'm ready to go. That's it for this video. If you want to see videos about tech packs and designs and patterns, getting samples made, things like that, let me know in the comments. If you found this valuable in any way and want to see more content like it in the future, please smash the like and subscribe buttons. It helps me out so much in the algorithm. I'll see you in the next one.